Welcome back to Bad Tree Productions. I'm Blake.
And I'm J-Ball.
What are we going to do today, Jay?
Well, I reckon that we're going to put axles in this thing. So when we first built this thing, we did the Mopar Action Discotech front disc brake swap using, factory upper control arms, spindles from like a 73 A body, and then hardware store calipers and rotors and all the rest of the brakes and stuff like that, the hoses, everything. So in order to get the back wheels are still currently small bolt pattern, so it's an 8 3/4 inch with small bolt pattern axles. So we went up on Moser's website and we ordered up a set of. They have three different axles you can order for this. One is just a stock replacement with the 4-inch bolt circle. One is the factory stock replacement with 4.5-inch bolt circle, but then you've got to actually drill your original brake drums to match a 4.5-inch circle. So that's kind of whatever. That's kind of, you'd have to do that every time you needed new drums or whatever. So what we opted to do was get ourselves some 70B body backing plates, and that's option number 3. So you just use B body backing plates with 4.5-inch bolt circle axles, and they're a specific axle, so that's what we went ahead and did. So I went ahead and ordered all the brake parts for the backing plates, so we're going to go ahead and assemble those. We've got our Moser axles back here, and we need to actually take these to the machine shop and have studs and bearings pressed on those axles. So we'll need to get to a machine shop or whatever.
Just call Andy.
All right, we'll get Andy on the phone.
Well, I left my phone in the truck and Andy's got the truck, so I'll have to use your phone.
Well, you want to use my phone?
If we have to, yeah.
All right, let's roll. Hey, Andy. Yep. Say, we need a favor. I got a set of axles, and I need to have studs and bearings pressed on. Okay, all right, sounds good. I'll be right there. All right, thanks, buddy. Oh. Hey, look at free call to Andy. Who's a guy that makes the cute girls cry? Well, they call him Andy. Kinda fresh, kinda wild, Andy. Kinda young and in style, Andy. Who's a guy that makes the cute girls cry? Well, they call him Andy. Andy.
Well,
stick them in, man?
yeah.
How about we try to do some shit like that?
Oh, yeah.
Another 20,000 slide over.
Always on top of it. Very accurate you are, Andy.
Yeah.
Precise. Precision.
What are we doing here? We're sitting in a hole. I like that. I think that might go.
Do you think Jeremy's little hand jack would have done this?
It might have.
Yeah, so this could be a do-it-yourself kind of deal.
It could be. She got a little snugger there. I'd like to move it over a little. I don't like that quite so much. I'm liking that better there though. Okay, let's try this.
Right, no freaking problem.
She had a little squeeze on her there. That look like a win?
That looks like it's seated.
So I can see the marks right around there, kind of.
Mhm.
You know, where she shoved her in good and tight.
Yeah. Shit, yeah. 9
Alright.
more to go.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's that easy. It looks so effortless. How much pressure is that?
I would guess it runs up to 3,000. It should be around 15 to 20 tons, roughly. On my
So
high-tech numerical calculator.
just a little bit more than what you can do with your thumbs, huh?
Pretty much, yeah. More than you can do cranking them in with the nuts too, I think.
It's pretty cool watching that. Just
Yeah, it's not quite like the hydraulic press channel, but it's pretty close.
no, yeah. Yeah, let us know in the comments what kind of shit should me and Andy smash. And there you have it. A new big bolt pattern axle.
Starting to look like one.
Well, think the studs are long enough?
I think so. Get them extra wide drags on there.
Yeah. You know how many wheel spacers we can run now?
You can run dual drag slips.
No shit. The dually CUDA. Oh, the cop car drivers here. Oh, one. Well, thanks, Andy.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
One down. One go.
Yeah, in the comments, what should we, hydraulic press next? The most interesting thing might happen. J-Bo.
What's up?
Hi.
Never
Oh.
done one of these axes. Oh, shit. I would think I can shove it right like that, can I?
Why not, right?
I would think so, yeah. Ready?
I think so, yeah.
I'm getting close to the edge of the thing. That's why it wasn't grunting a little harder.
That's it?
Yeah, I would say
Okay.
she's home. We can measure it compared to the other axle.
Okay.
You know what I mean? That way we make sure we know where the motor at.
Sure.
Of the seal, so we're good.
Hell yeah.
I like it.
Well, welcome back to the hydraulic channel.
I'll probably get an email from him.
Yeah. Stop ripping me off, that cutter. the hydraulic press channel is pretty popular.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, why this shit's fucking up and...
Well, he just puts like random stuff, golf ball, bowling ball,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
diamond, Skittles.
Okay.
Custom shake there from pressing a little bit.
It adds to the production value.
It does. I think we're there, guys. That turns good now. Yeah. Rubber seals right on the back there too, and the rubber seal on the front's right where it should be.
Yep.
A little bit of grease on her. That fits nicely.
Good deal.
I think we got a win here.
Winner, winner.
You guys will be going down the road in no time.
Big chicken dinner. This thing got heavier.
Who's the guy that makes the cute girls cry? Well, they call him Andy. Kinda fresh, kinda wild Andy.
Yeah.
That's the last time Andy ever wants to help.
That was the X-rated part. I've got a better version of it.
All right. All right.
Oh, shit.
So Andy's got all the bits around here too. And that's not it. You got all that stuff over there. And
Oh, and hey, that Mike did get back to me, but I wasn't home.
Mike from
From B3 or whatever.
B3 Racing.
B3 Racing Engines or whatever. So he's got some
It's kind of hard to play darts when you got
spacers you want.
the Mori Seiki in the way. Big shear. You know, we're pretty fortunate to have a friend like Andy around because there's like endless possibilities that you can do inside of this building.
They're the ones that Jeremy had.
Big plasma table. Bad Tree Productions supporter. Uses the good tools, Milwaukee. Sandblast in action. Slant 6 powered forklift. Yep, it sure does have about anything you need to do metal work. So down in the comment section, let Andy know how swell of a guy he is for always being there for us. And hopefully you enjoyed this big bolt pattern hydraulic press video. All right, we're back at World HQ. We got our axles all slammed together. Thank you, Andy. And now we're getting prepped to jack her up in the air. Once we get her jacked up in the air, the fast part happens. The tear shit apart happens. It'll be kind of quick. And then the slow process of having to put stuff back together will happen afterwards.
You know, it just kind of bobs that way.
It bobbed to the left before, didn't it?
No. To the right. Is that high enough?
I think so. We don't need the lug nuts anymore. Not those ones.
No.
So here's the size difference in tires that were
Quite a difference, a little bit, huh?
about a inch and a half taller
These have been holding up pretty good for
for what
old
they are.
Scabby.
Yeah,
Where do we get those from? From Buck,
I think so.
I think, right?
That should be a more happier Nacho Cuda
You think?
wearing its bigger shoes. So,
Right.
all right. You want to work on this side? I'll work on the other side.
Okay, sure.
Since you tend to know what you're doing more often, I'll leave the camera over here.
I don't know about that, but wish I had a little stool to sit on. Doobity-doobity-doo, they call him Andy.
Neutral.
What's that?
Putting her in neutral.
You're.
So you can spin the axle around it.
Oh. No, actually, these drums, these are kind of them bell-shaped drums or whatever.
Yeah.
They've never considered an improvement over just a regular, plain old regular drums. So this has got some grease and shit in it, Blake.
So does this.
Like from grease or from?
I think it's brake fluid.
I think it's brake fluid.
I think that's where the brake fluid's been going.
Well, what's the deal on those wheel cylinders, though? Weren't they new?
I thought they were borrowed from Germany or...
Oh, okay.
I don't remember.
Well, we're going to get new ones. Maybe that'll take care of our issue, eh?
Hopefully.
Ooh, oh no. Oh, shit, now I'm on the ground. Use your drum like a slide hammer.
There she. Oh, probably should disconnect the brake first, huh?
Yeah.
I'll do that on my side.
What?
Take the brake line off first.
You know, I got an extra. We're leaking brake fluid right now. See it back there? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So
well,
needed that line anyway to be replaced.
so anyway, I got all new lines for this. So
Well, looks like.
we'll do this at least.
Alrighty.
Wow, it's really dumping it. That might have been it before, right? No, probably not. All right.
Like 90. Right?
Yeah.
So. Maybe that's why it did burn out so well.
Yeah, they're slimed pretty good, by golly. Well, we're going to have to check the brakes out, I guess, real good. Because we want brakes working good. That's from what I gather.
That's how easy mine came out.
Yours popped right out?
Yep. Complete axle and brake setup.
Be careful, boy.
For your 8 3/4 if you want small bolt axles and brakes, get a hold of J-Bo. He's got a set for you.
Yeah, call my phone.
Call his phone. Don't you need the spreaders out of it?
Oh, yeah. Yep. The one guy did it real easy, like.
I know. Oops. That was not.
There you go. Yeah, you're learning.
That was easy. Come on. This thing's so wore out. It just
Oh, it just
Can't-
slips off. It just
yeah.
can't grab it. Can't fight it.
You watch your balls.
Mm-hmm.
Need that.
Mm-hmm.
Land factory.
Okay, now is that a right hand thread or left hand thread?
Right hand.
So this is yours, and that's on the right side.
Mm-hmm.
So the right side gets the right hand thread.
Mm-hmm.
We'll just go with that.
And
right?
like I said on the driver's side, that
Oh, you
gets
did
the
say
left
that, didn't you?
hand thread. Yeah, I did say that, Jay.
You were just guessing, though. Good guess.
Well, you know, 50-50 shot.
Right hand thread on the right hand side.
Yep. Even broken clocks right twice a day.
Okay, stop a second.
Oh, stop what?
Oh, I need to see. Like what? Well, this has a totally different spring on it. I think we can check that out.
Jay, did we forget to record stuff again?
Pretty much so.
Dang it.
We're playing plenty of RTV to our brakes. Our emergency brake cable delete brakes. Sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, we used a quarter. Can you see that quarter? Anyway, and some RTV. Yeah, these backing plates, you know, I tell you what, we had a 5-gallon pail full of backing plates. And the ones we wanted to use, they were nice, you know, repainted and so on and so forth. But the back spacing from here to here was actually wrong. They were too shallow.
Wrong.
So with that in mind, they weren't gonna actually, the shoes weren't gonna mesh with the wheel cylinder. The shoes were actually down or up. I can't remember what, but
They weren't good, is what it...
yeah, it wasn't working. So anyway, you know, whatever. So these are B-body rear backing plates. They're what are they 2.5? 10 by 2.5, something like that. Anyway, and that's gonna work. So
That's where we're at.
we got 10 by 2.5 drums that'll go on this on. Anyway, the backing plates are done, or I mean the backing plate, the brake assemblies are completed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we screwed them all together on the bench. I highly recommend it. This is way easier than being bent over,
Yeah,
trying to stick your head inside the wheel well.
yeah, it worked out pretty good. So what else? What's I gonna say, Blake? Were you gonna say anything else?
No, not really.
These
Just
silicone grease, there's like six wear pads or rub pads or whatever on the backing plates. Right, yeah, there's
there'd be one there, one here.
We
see
smeared those.
that.
We smeared those with some silicone grease, so
Yep.
just so that they, you know, work as good as they can. Okay, so these were, I specified these to be 1970. From what I gathered, 1970. They went to this newer style for 1970, I guess. Newer style adjuster, which is just better than the pre-1970 stuff. So
Show them the action with the cable, Jay.
I believe you can actually so it's right. I believe yeah. So that was kind of an improvement for 70 up. So anyway, yeah, it worked out good.
Now we can slam them on, right?
You bet.
All right.
You want to do that?
That's your side, right there.
This is?
Mhm.
Yeah. Don't tell me what I already know. All right.
Okay. I got brand new brake lines already on the back.
You do. Way to go. Congratulations.
You guys want to see it? Let's check it out.
Does it look good?
It looks really good. First time I've ever had pre-bent lines just want to just fall right into place.
So when those were, what was that, inline tube or
Yeah.
line lines or what?
I think it's inline tube.
Inline tubes. And I can't remember, we bought the whole brake kit It wasn't that much. It was like 140. Does that sound about right, Blake? Or
Buck
something?
40, it's all aluminum, right?
No. That's
Or it
steel.
is steel, it is.
Steel. But it's you know, it duplicates the original stuff.
Right.
And I think I ordered the fuel lines too, but I never did use the fuel lines. We just kind of rolled our own.
Right.
So, yeah. So,
I can't wait to see a fatty on it.
oh, that'll be nice, won't it?
Mm-hmm.
How does those look? No, I can't even see them.
How does what? The brake lines?
Yeah.
They look great. Because you can't see them.
Oh, no.
They're not low-hanging fruit.
That looks good.
Don't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very nice. Are they tight?
On the housing, they're tight.
Okay.
But they're not on the backing plates because they don't exist yet.
Right. Yeah. All right, buddy. Yeah, looks good.
That's factual right there, Jay.
Oh. This is killing me.
There we go.
Oh, no.
What?
I'm getting a cramp.
Are you? Hey, you know what's kind of funny?
What's that?
There's no damn hole in these Moser axles to get to the...
Oh, you're kidding me.
That sucks.
Well, that's not good, is it?
Oh.
Why is that not? Why
Look at
is that?
No relief hole.
Well, that's kind of bullshit, Moser.
So you're gonna have to play the sneak it in from the side.
Oh, come on.
But yeah, well, whatever. Is what it is.
How's it look in relationship to everything?
As far as...
Does it look like it's in far enough, or?
Once I get this plate tightened. Not a bad day though. Good accomplishments. 2 new brake lines. 2 new axles. Some big ass wheel studs.
Right.
These stick out further than the body panels on the car.
The studs do?
Yeah. It's like old school chariot racing. That doesn't seem right.
What do you mean?
I think that fucking... These are for Fords, aren't they?
Yeah. Or I mean, they're universal. I
Right.
didn't realize that when I ordered them. I thought I was ordering them for a Mopar.
Well, yeah. Right.
But they might have listed them as that. Is the centric thing not working right, or what?
I got it in now.
Okay.
Whew. Oh yeah, baby.
Do they look like they're going to clear all the way around and so on and so forth, or what?
I don't think there's a damn problem at all.
Oh, yeah? Okay. I mean, there shouldn't be. I mean, right?
Right. Big fatness. Yeah, they got it frickin' inch before the leaf spring. And they'll have plenty in the front and the back. Whew. Now I'm excited.
You like that?
Oh man, that's the fatness, man.
Yeah, you like it?
They're 10.5 wide.
You like the girthiness of it?
There's some nice girthiness to it. This is the width that we want. I wonder if we could go to an 11.
Probably not.
And it would be nice to get a 28-inch tall tire though.
Right.
So that's pretty slick. She kind of changes the look of the car, for sure.
You like the style of the wheel or what?
I dig it.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, we're so freaking close to it though that you can't really get a good look at it, but
Oh, I suppose, yeah.
but standing back here, you can see the fatness. Oh yeah. Shit, yeah. Shit the bed. That's a good look, man. That, yeah. The stupidest shit makes me happy. So now the traction issues are minimized compared to what they were, hopefully. This ain't Duddy's dart.
How's that?
We don't have to get the saws all out yet. I hope not, at least.
Yeah, it'd help if they had a...
Are you kidding me?
What?
The stupid chrome cover for the American Racing.
Oh, that's right, hey.
It's in the way for you of putting a fucking socket to run in your luggage.
Yeah, so Two Hacks mentioned that. He got the same wheels for his T-Bird, you know?
Yeah.
And he mentioned that exact same thing. And I meant to take a look at that. I mean, it's just plastic, so why don't we just go ahead and...
Ditch it?
No, we can grind it so that it works, you know?
Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna take
So
the
just
fucker off.
Scrape a mark on the back side of it, and we'll just grind it. I mean, we'll do it so it looks nice. I mean, you know, they're brand new, I don't want to look like shit.
Me and Ryan, Streetcar Chronicles, were talking. People need to start subscribing because we're getting too fat for this shit anymore. We need lifts.
Fat for what?
Too fat for getting up and down all the time.
Oh, no shit, yeah.
I don't know. I think I might like it without the caps on,
Yeah.
but I don't know. It's up to you, man. I don't know. Let us know in the comments. Do you like that? Or do you like that? I kind of like that. But that's me. So it's questionable. How are you coming, Jay?
Just about there, bud.
Are you?
What'd you say?
What?
Did you say something to me?
No, man.
You didn't want to get what?
I didn't want anything to duddy on us today,
Oh,
so I sacrificed just Mopar Joe shirt.
right.
Get yours today, or go to his channel, watch like 5 of his videos, and when you're done doing that, go to the link in his description, then get his merch. Joe Parmo is a great guy. We fully support him. We support Duddy too, just not all of his decision making.
What? Oh, shit.
Actually.
Really?
There you go, J-Bo.
What?
Oh yeah, man. She looks like a street strip car now.
Everything worked?
Yeah.
Vacuum plates, brakes, all good to go?
Well, yeah, we had an issue with the pretty ones. They were a different depth.
Really?
Yeah. So we ended up using the shitty ones. One of them looked like it would sat in water for fucking ever. So we just hit it with some black RTV.
Lots of it.
Plugged up the rod holes.
To plug the holes out.
What? That looks good. Get the fronts on there.
What? The fronts are on here.
No, the other wheels.
What are you talking about?
Matching wheels.
Fuck, they don't got a match.
That's awesome. Oh.
My Joe Parmo shirt got fucking just rocked.
Oh, Blake.
I'll have to get another one at etsy.com/Joe Parmo.
Joe Parmo. I've been typing in wrong this whole time.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. You ready for it? Who will grin with some balls on his chin? Will they call him Jeremy?
You fucking asshole. I'm making milkshakes. Good job, Jay.
You did no fucking thing.
Huh?
Good job, Jay.
You remember that song? Yeah.
Just got done bleeding the brakes. And she's on the ground. Too bad it wasn't outside.
Oh, yeah. Well, whatever.
Yeah, there's still plenty of room for activities.
Yeah.
So yeah, the 275/60s will fit no problem.
Right.
These are 265/60. So 26.5 by 10.5. Oh. Jay's like starting to drink beer, so he's calling it quits for the day. We got done what we wanted to get done
Right.
today, so.
What else we gotta do? We gotta do, what? So we need a proportioning valve in this thing yet.
Yeah.
So we gotta do that, so.
Well,
We got more brake lines, too, we could stick in this.
yeah, we replaced the tube. Let me touch the pedal quick.
Yeah, go let it go.
Oh, that's the best it's ever been. It's never been that good before.
Oh, yeah?
I mean, it felt like that when you got almost to the floor.
Oh, okay.
And this you're barely.
Alright. Well, what the hell? Okay, well, cool.
That's nice. I kind of want to back it out and drive it around town.
Right, it does. But yeah, we got more stuff to do.
Damn it, we got more stuff to do.
Yeah.
Approve? It looks better in person, trust me. Well, there you go.
So we're gonna get a hold of what B3 Racing. We got a rocker geometry issues that they're gonna probably take care of for us.
Right.
So we got that. We got a Barry Grant 825 Race Demon that we're gonna stick on this too, and that's coming. That's in the mail yet. What else we got, Blake?
Line lock.
Oh, he wants to do a line lock. Yeah, we can do that. You know. So,
Windshield.
well, that's not a deal breaker, but
Let's just go to the track if they say something about it.
no, they're not. They're not. I already asked them about it.
Oh.
They said that's not a big deal.
Dallas ain't gonna give a shit about it either. So.
No. Well, that's who I asked. I asked Dallas and John, and
What about Tri-State?
oh, they wouldn't like that probably.
But
But
we've been around long enough. They'd probably say, "Okay, today," and then show. Oh, I forgot. You told me.
whatever.
You gotta put the hood
So
on.
anyway, yeah, we gotta do that.
we
so-
gotta get testing this thing.
right.
No, if she's gonna be a stone axe or what.
I gotta check the transmission fluid in it. Yeah, make sure that's up to.
Yeah, it
mark.
looks like a different freaking car.
Does look good, huh?
Yeah.
So anyway, like, share, subscribe. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for hanging out with us. And, yeah, leave us a comment. We like to read your comments and so on and so forth. Right? Good, bad, ugly.
Yeah. Don't forget, September 30th, October 1st at Jeffers Motorsport Parkway, Sports Parks something.
Just do it all over again.
Jeffers Motorsports Park.
Stop. Don't forget. Okay, and don't forget.
And don't forget the No Name Nationals, September 30th, October 1st at Jeffers Motorsports Parkway.
Stop. Do it all over again.
Sykeston, Missouri.
You have to stop laughing at him because it just encourages his bullshit.
Missouri, United States, planet Earth. Hosted by the AHRA.
Right on.
Become a member today.
You bet. Right?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
See you next time.
See ya on the next one.
Great, yeah. I'll be on TV.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I'm a bad boy.
What is that song? I made it the song. It's based on a Charlie perfume jingle.
Oh, really?
You know what I'm talking about, maybe?
The old Charlie guy.
Yeah, Charlie or whatever. But I sang it about Andy Burbach.
You want it?
At work, no.
I don't know.
But it's who's a guy that makes the cute girls cry? Well, they call him Andy. Kind of fresh, kind of wild, Andy. Do a bit.
Andy.
We'll change that part.
Jeez.
Yeah.
That's the last time Andy ever wants to help.
That was the X-rated part. I've got a better version.